So here is BOOKSY app. So let's just go through it and see how it works. I actually never used it before, but I just noticed that it's growing in popularity. And yeah, a lot of people are using this app to book all the different services. It can be health services or some beauty services like barber shop, hair salon, personal trainer, chiropractic, massage, day spa, beauty salon, braids, tattoo shops, all of that. So you can just book your services. You can just search for some category like near you. I think this app is only available in United States as far as I understand. Maybe a few other countries, but not in Europe as far as I discovered. So for example, if I want to see special offers, you just go here and then you can just tap. There is like some studios which you can see the prices, then haircut like $30, and then you can just book it, leave a note. At specific times you can save 1%. At more popular times it's yeah, so there are all kinds of different services here. So yeah, I don't know if you require a payment. So actually I don't know if here is my booking. So then I can see scheduled appointments, and then I can also like cancel this appointment here. But then I can see the calendar. You can give access to the calendar, and then you have this appointment added to your iCal. So on iPhone it will be reflected. So that's super cool experience. Of course, I just created an account, so I'm not sure if this booking will be confirmed. But just imagine if you need to do haircut booking like in a normal way, like for example, you need to get a phone number, call that person, like specify the time available, and then you need to go to the place and just sometimes, we don't accept credit cards or something, I just need cash or something like that. You don't have a cash, or like, yeah, there can be so many scenarios. But there you have it. Here you can just book it online, and also I think the payment will be attached somehow. So, and then that's it. So you just booked. It took me, like you see, like 30 seconds. I just book, it's paid, and I just come and do the thing and then go home, instead of like spending all these hours sometime on planning, especially if you just arrive to the city or you're just traveling and you don't know where to do the haircut in the nearest point. So you just need to go like do your research or ask friends or something like that. So that's just my thoughts about it. So here you just have payments, and then you can just add payment card easily, and that's about it. So then you see your appointments, you see your profile, account details. You can easily sign up just with your like Google or Apple ID, and then just add the phone number, and that should be it. So that is the idea. Then you can just book again. You can see your visited and favorites. For example, if I want to have personal trainer, I want like to specify I want to have it next Tuesday, for example, anytime, and then I can see like all the personal fitness trainers available in that area, and then I can see all the reviews, portfolio, details. So that's kind of interesting, all the reviews here. So yeah, it's interesting idea, and it's used by a lot of people. So I hope this app is helpful. Thank you for watching.